Oh, Louie, what are you doing? Are you getting ready to attack somebody? Oh, there's Thor. Knock him down. The big guy getting you. Oh, how nice. You guys are so sweet. Oh. Get him. Get him. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. What are you two doing? You guys having fun, huh? Wrestling. Oh. One black kitty, one tabby.
Yeah.
Oh, where you going? Where you going, Louie? Where you going? Are you coming up to see me? No.
Yeah.
Where are you going, Lou? Oh, now you're playing with that. You're like, I was so bored with Thor. What are you doing, Louie? Louie, grab that again. Oh. Knocking stuff over. Cat toys. What? Yeah, you lazing out? You gonna lay there? Huh? Yeah, I'm taping you, buddy. Oh, well, come on. Play with that noodle again, you silly. Oh. He is in kitten mode. And Kyle's cracking up over things I have no idea. Oh, you look so cute, Louie.
Yeah.
Oh, such a pretty boy. Oh, who's that? Is that Aunt Shauna? He's looking around everywhere. Oh, come on. Go play with that noodle again. Gee. Come on, Louie. I want to see you tackle that noodle again. Oh, are you going to come see me now? Come on. Oh, well, hello. Hello, darling. Hi, baby boy. What's been up? You ready to take a break and have a nap on me, huh? Oh, and Thor was just going to attack you too, I think. Poor Thor. He wanted to get in some action. Oh. I guess they're done playing.